driving towards the goals of more sustainable manufacturing, higher productivities, more flexible, agile manufacturing, is going to mean that we will continue to adopt technologies such as AI, edge technologies, and we'll see a much more automated manufacturing facilities that start heading towards a sort of self-optimization.
The implementation of digital technologies is not straightforward for many organisations. I think it's a bit baffling. I think lots of people are doing are moving to digital and don't know it. So I think that there are lots of things that are people doing potentially with back office systems, which fit under Industry 4.0, but people don't necessarily appreciate that they're already achieving digitalisation and already moving forward.
Digitalisation is revolutionising manufacturing, but digital adoption is not easy and it's not straightforward. Come and meet some of the best-in-class manufacturers who have achieved huge success in their digital projects at this year's Smart Factory Expo, 10th to 11th of November in Liverpool.